How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser. So first, let me walk you through how to join the Amazon Associate program and what it is basically and how it helps you in your business. So here I am actually here in the affiliate-program.amazon.com, wherein we can see the FAQ questions or the good to know facts about Amazon Associates. So, how do you get started? Of course, the first thing that you need to do is to sign up or join the Amazon Associates program. So, if you do have an account, here in the upper right hand side, you can see the login button in yellow. Or if you don't have an account yet, then simply join now for free in this black button. So, next is one good thing about the Amazon Associate or Affiliate program is that you can actually earn money through referral. So, if you're already eligible to earn referral fees for sales generated by your links, once you've signed up, you can access your earnings and traffic reports through Associate Centrals. All right. Next is you'll immediately gain access to Associate Central, which provides you with a fast and easy way to link to virtually any page on our site through the build links section, basically. So the benefits of joining the Associates program is that actually it has a lot. First is you have the opportunity to generate revenue via their site, a wide range of relevant products to promote from Amazon's huge selection, easy to use tools to create and customize the links that work best, and detailed reports to help you better understand your visitors' preferences and link performance. An associate or an association with Amazon.com and the chance to interact with a broad community of other website owners. So Amazon has been very well known all around the world for like selling products, you know. So they already have that kind of branding, which really help boost your store or your own business as well. So again, as I mentioned a while ago, and as written here in our join program, it's for free. You don't have to pay for anything on that one. So anyone can actually participate, even if you're living outside the US. Yes, you can participate. And of course, Amazon is a worldwide company, so anyone is free to join. Just hit on the sign up button. So if you have more than one website, you can actually link your associate program through multiple websites. So if you want to track the performance of each website separately, contact the associate customer service. So they have a customer service who would help you out on, organizing your websites in your associates program. So can nonprofit join the associates program? Of course they can as well. And lastly, how does Amazon track orders coming from my website? So an associate ID is assigned when you sign up through our online form. Links from associate websites to Amazon use a special format that includes this code. Every time a customer follows one of those links to our site, this unique URL tells us which page to display as well as which associate sent the customer to us. We keep track of the associate's ID as the customer browses through our website and even if they close their browser and come back later in the day. So basically, like with the associates ID that we have, this is a link that really, tracks down the information and the activities of your customers or of the people who have the link that they have in there. Okay, so in order for you to start, click on this button, join now for free, and then all you need to do is to sign up. Okay, here's the process. The first process is to sign up, and second is to recommend. Third is to earn, of course. Now let's sign up. So you will be routed to this page if you're going to sign up or create your Amazon account. So basically, since I do not have an Amazon account yet, I will simply click on this one. And once I have followed through and accepted all the terms and conditions of Amazon, I will be able to create my Amazon account by then. All right. So Now, going back to our Pinterest and Amazon, how do we link that one? One thing, by the way, for Pinterest, you need to have the business, all right? The business account for Pinterest in order for you to track the performance, the analytics and overview, impression saves, and outbound clicks. So basically, it also helps you understand the demographics of the people that are trying to look for your products or to look into your products, basically. All right. So first off, here in Canva, let's just refresh our browser in here. Okay, so here in Canva, since, for example, I do have a fashion um, fashion website, or I do have a business with regards to apparel and fashion items, then you can actually make events or like discount products, whatnot, or online events for your website or for your Amazon website. Now, I've used Canva to generate my design where I will be posting in Pinterest. So I will just save this one real quick and I'll show you how it helps us or how we can link Amazon to Pinterest basically. Let's just hit on download first. Okay, now we have already successfully downloaded our picture. So here in the section of our business account for Pinterest, we can see the create section in the left-hand side or the upper left-hand side of our page. Now let's create a pin. All right. Now let's just click on exit on this one and drag and drop your upload images. Now let's use the one that we have created from Canva. So here. By the way, guys, you could also create a carousel for you to add your collection, for example, and then you can just input a title that's very catchy. So, for example, it's summer or like not summer but spring. Okay, spring collection, and then you can say 23, and then basically tell everybody about the link that you have and where does Amazon Associate link come in this section. So basically, after you have inputted all the text and everything in here, just go to this section, which is add a destination link, and paste your Amazon Associate link here. Then you could publish immediately or you could publish at a later date actually as well. So if you want to publish at a later date, then you can just simply modify the date and whatnot. Okay, so let me tell you why Pinterest is very helpful. So here, as you can see in the analytics section, let's go to our analytics section. So you can see the date range and the Pinterest activity. Basically, it gives you like the impression of people who has been looking in your board or your pins, and it also gives you like the engagements, outbound clicks, saves, and whatnot. Okay, so if you have linked your associate account from Amazon, then it would be easier for your people or the viewers from your pinned post to track down and go to Amazon and buy the product, basically. So that's about it for today's video, guys.